Yes, and what else do you have? Oh, Henry's opening his dinosaur surprises.
No. Maybe comes with two, I guess.
Leo, you made so mess.
Yeah.
Are you messy? Leo, Henry, come on.
Help.
Help? Helping.
Helping the...
Here. I'm so curious. I'm so curious. What is that? Open. Open. Open that. What?
Ew.
What is this?
Yummy. I don't have this. Okay.
Okay, should
Does
I open that?
No.
I know.
I'll eat, not check.
Oh, they are like Swedish fish. Okay.
Oh yeah, Swedish fish.
Okay, what's the dinosaur deal?
Ooh.
What's that?
Whoa. It's a tracks in a...
Tracks? I didn't see the tracks in there.
No, that's a Triceratops.
Oh. Oh, hidden one, huh? Oh, is it like something like ring?
Wow. Yeah, ready.
Show me.
Two.
Show me. Show me. Open it, I show.
No.
Open, I show, because we don't see all the stickers. You got something else, guys? Do you want to set up your toy or something?
Yeah.
Come on, do it then. We are waiting for you.
Go.
Open. Here, right here. What is that?
Here. Give the fin spinner. I'll do something, Henry.
Come on, let me see that.
Henry, give me the fin spinner.
Fidget spinner.
Connect this to the fin spinner. Okay.
Let me
and then
see.
glue it. Then it'll spin.
Hi, Peanut, sit.
Hey, look.
Peanut, hand. Yay! Peanut is so smart, right, Peanut?
Can I put this on the aquarium?
No, please. Henry, what you got there? I really wonder. And give me that from your mouth.
Does it go like... No.
How does it go? Does it look like Bakugan?
No.
I mean, what was that?
Beyblade.
Beyblade?
No.
So curious. Oh, what's going on? Sky and Peanut are hunting. Oh, I mean, I think Peanut is hunting only and Sky is escaping.
It's like... It's like sharks in...
Henry, any idea how to do that?
No, but I could do this.
Oh, okay. What's that?
It's a... Gooba Gabba.
Gubba Gabba? Leo, do you know what is Gubba Gabba?
Gooba Gabba.
All right, guys, I think we are done here. Do you guys want to say something before we end up?
Bye. First I'm gonna set this up here.
Leo,
Bye.
maybe you want to say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our video.
Yeah. Wow, let me make it closer. You put it right here. Right here. Right here. And this is Henry with double tie. Is it tie? No, bow tie. And this is Henry and Leo. All right, guys. Henry, do you want to say something before we end? Huh?
Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next video.